Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to enable the developer options at the Samsung Galaxy S10e. So for that we just scroll down the shortcuts, then we go here to the settings, and then we scroll down to the last point about phone, and then we need here the software information. So under the software information we tap on the build number for 7 times. And now we are a developer, and if we go now back 1 point and go back another point, we have below the about phone section now the developer options. And here now you are able to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging and so on and so on. And later if you want, if you don't need it anymore, you can just off it here again, the developer options. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be a pleasure and very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.